Banana Boat Sport Ultra Sunscreen Lotion, SPF 65, 8 ounces. Applies quickly and easily, feels dry in seconds, and won't weigh you down. Protects against 98% of the sun's burning rays. High endurance versus sweat water. Clinically proven UVA, UVB protection. Reef-Friendly. We created Compact by design to identify products that, while they may not always look very different, have a more efficient design. With the removal of excess air and water, products require less packaging and become more efficient to ship. At scale, these small differences in product size and weight led to significant carbon emission reductions. Sport received Good Housekeeping's Best Value Sunscreen in 2020. Top reviews from the United States. Fun in the sun. Banana Boat has been my go-to brand of sunscreen for many years. This sunscreen provides excellent protection for hours, ensuring hours of fun in the sun. My one complaint is that the SPF 100 is not certified as reef-safe. Hopefully as the formula evolves this will change.